Take a moment to examine these two AI-generated images. Both were born from the same idea, yet they look very different. Notice how image 2 looks more realistic with its lifelike textures, expressions, and eyes. Image 1 was created using DALL-E, while image 2 showcases the prowess of Lexica, which is a website where you can use text prompts to generate stunning images using AI. Both these images were created using a reference image we found online. You might be wondering why you would want to recreate an image using AI instead of just using the reference image. The answer is all about creative control. While the reference image might be a great starting point, AI lets you customize it endlessly. It's about taking that initial spark of inspiration and making it uniquely your own, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create stunningly realistic images in 3 easy steps using reference images. Plus, we'll show you how to effortlessly modify those images to craft stunning variations. Let's dive in. Step 1. Ideate. Let's say you want to create a picture of a woman whose smile brings warmth and life into the room. Finding inspiration can come in many shapes: sketching, writing, or in our case, choosing the perfect reference image. It's important to pick images you have the right to use, like those are free to use or under Creative Commons licenses. We found our muse in a stunning image from Pexels, capturing the exact joyful smile we imagined. Step 2. Craft your super prompt. With your reference image selected, it's time to distill its essence into words. Tools like ChatGPT make it easy to turn your reference photo into a powerful AI prompt. Even if you've never used a language generator before, this process is surprisingly simple. Head to ChatGPT 4, upload your image, and try something like, "Can you provide a detailed description for this image that I can use to recreate it elsewhere?" ChatGPT 4 will give you a carefully tailored description ready to use in Lexica. Here's the description we got based on our reference image the first time we tried. Picture this: a portrait of a woman brimming with joy, standing against a simple, light backdrop. Her brown hair, shoulder-length and playfully tousled, beautifully frames her beaming face. Her eyes, squinted in pure happiness, complement her bright, welcoming smile. She wears a high-collared blouse featuring a vintage green and white pattern, adding a stylish, retro flair. The soft, natural lighting accentuates her features, capturing a moment of sheer, spontaneous joy. This is a perfect description for the image we uploaded, and it's ready to be used in Lexica. Step 3. Generate the image using Lexica. Now let's bring your creation to life, the simplest step of all. Take the super prompt from GPT-4 to Lexica and paste it into the input box. With a single click, Lexica begins its magic, transforming your prompt into images that mirrors the rich details and emotions of your initial vision. You'll have multiple images to select from. Choose what best fits your original vision. Here are some images we created using the same prompt. Notice how similar they are to the original image and how lifelike they appear. Now, if you want to make changes to your original idea, you can accomplish that by adding specific details to your prompt. For example, if you want to add a beret, just add, "She's wearing a beret" to the original prompt. Here are some other variations we created with slight changes to the prompt. And that's how simple it is to go from a single image to a universe of possibilities, all accessible through Lexica. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.